This is The Road Show on Wish 1075.
Wish 1075 has it going. Wishers, time on the clock is 7 minutes before 7 p.m. Back with your boy DJ A to the D to the AM. DJ Adam on board the iconic Wish 1075 bus, which today is parked right here at Eton Centris, and the open parking is packed. Not with cars, but with a single bus, and of course, 18 makes a noise! We are all here for the highly anticipated Wish Bus comeback of none other than the P-Pop Kings. We got Josh, Pablo, Stel, Justin, and Ken, collectively known as SB19!
Yay! Good evening, everyone!
Yes, sir. Boys, welcome back on board the Wish Bus. How's 2025 looking so far?
Sobrang exciting ng 2025 kasi nag-release kami ng new album.
Aha.
Siyempre, mag-promote kami. We'll be going on a world tour. Kasama namin ng 18. So, puntahan niyo po yan. Abangan niyo po yan. Maraming
Yes, sir.
salamat.
Simula at wakas. Let's do some hashtag way back Wednesday muna. Since nasa Wish Bus tayo, do you have a clear recollection doon sa unang-unang bisita nyo sa amin sa Wish Bus? At kung anong kanta yun, ano yung pakiramdam the first time you step foot inside the Wish Bus?
Yes.
Ano kami nun Power Rangers kami nun
Sa totoo lang.
Yeah.
Paranaque?
Paranaque.
Area?
Yeah, oo.
Sukat.
Malapit
Sukat.
sa ano.
Hindi.
Go Up po yung pinerform namin nun. Tapos yung jacket namin. Para talagang Power Rangers, iba-iba kami ng kulay.
Solid.
Solid.
White pa yung hair ko nun eh. White hair.
Tapos, syempre po, looking back, sobrang nung time na yun, pangarap po kasi talaga namin makapag-perform dito.
Sobra.
So, yun, maiyak-iyak kami. Talagang, parang dream come true talaga yung nangyari na yun. And sobrang happy kami na makapag-perform dito sa Wish.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your appreciation. And let's look back even more. How different is it though? Mula nung day one ninyo, na ngayon you are the kings of P-pop. Sabi ko nga, is it any different? Does it feel like a homecoming somehow na nandito kayo ulit?
Actually, every time we step sa Wish Bus, parang ano talaga siya eh. Panibagong experience. Kasi pagka nandito naman kami, talagang nandyan yung 18 to support us. Pero iba kasi pagka nag-perform kami dito, bagong song, bagong album, and now bagong EP, parang bagong experience siya sa amin. So gusto namin ma-experience ano ba talaga yung pakiramdam every time we step here, na iba yung dala naming bala. So yun po talaga.
Yes,
But
sir.
ang pinaka-common naman hindi nawawala is yung kaba. Pero ngayon mas excited kami sa gagawin namin tonight.
Right. I love the pun, by the way. Anong pakiramdam?
Yup.
But anyway, syempre, different story din yung mga individual releases nyo pa. Pero ngayon nga, fast forward to today, you guys are where you're at such a pedestal. Diba? I just want to ask, what are you ultimately thankful for? Anyone could answer.
We're ultimately siguro syempre thankful kami sa mga tao sa paligid namin. Sa mga patuloy na naniniwala sa amin from the get-go. Syempre yung mga staff namin from 1Z, lahat ng tao na nandyan nakaback sa amin palagi. And of course our families, and of course 18. At syempre yun, maraming